guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today we're going to be making one of my childhood favorites, salsave or chicken foot. To get started, I have some all-purpose flour, split peas flour, warm water, and here I have some blended herbs and aromatics, garlic, scallion, parsley, and some chili peppers. What I did was blend this to a fine consistency. And for the seasoning, I have here some all-purpose seasoning, bouillon, black pepper, and some turmeric. So you want to add all of the seasoning to the flour, mix that in real well, and then we will add the blended herbs and aromatics. We'll give that a mix, then we'll go in with the warm water. You want to add a little at a time until you form a sticky dough. Then I will show you what to do next. So this here is the consistency that we're looking for. If you need to add a bit more flour, feel free to do so. Now we will set this aside while we preheat our oil. So today I'll be using a potato ricer. This can be found on my Amazon storefront for those that are interested. The link will be down in my description box. I just find this to be a quick and easy way to get the job done. You want to place some of that dough inside of the ricer, and we'll head over to the stove and start the frying process. Now to the preheated oil, you want to put one row of that dough in there. You want to do one row at a time, and you want to immediately get in there and just start shaking it and loosening it apart. If you don't do this, it will all stick together, and we do not want that. So once it's nicely loose, you want to allow it to fry until it's golden brown and crispy, and then we'll remove it and carry on with the same process until we're all done. It's quick, easy, and simple, and I can't wait for you all to try the recipe. And here you have it, salsave or chicken foot. I did serve it up with some mango and tamarind sour, and it was absolutely divine. I haven't had this in ages, so you know I totally enjoyed it. I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.